Hello guys, today we are going to make a YouTube video with Adobe Premiere Pro CC 2018. So let's start by creating a new project. We are going to name it CSGO. Okay, we cannot use double dots, we have to use it line or anything that we want. I will just type the letters CSGO. Okay. The settings in the general and those settings here, I recommend you to leave it like default. That will be for your computer. Click OK. Then you'll get this, actually you'll get this window with assembly. If you see, here you have a few tabs: assembly, editing, color, effects, audio, graphics, and libraries. Okay, we will start with the assembly part for this project, and we will have to import some media to start. To import it, you just double click it, and I just record it with the Windows built-in recorder from Windows 10. So my videos will be in videos, okay, in captures. So I have here two videos that I want, that are with CSGO, to put in one single video. Okay, so I select both of them. I will say open them. Also, I know that I need for my video a sound for the end of the clip. So I will import that sound also. If you don't want to double click it, you can just right click and say import. And my other item is from desktop, and this is a sound that I just purchased from SoundCloud. So it's not the exact song that says that it is. Therefore, I will only use a small part of it from the beginning of the sound, and the rest of the sound I will clip it. So let's start with the beginning. Select each of the clip that you want in the order that you want, and drag and drop it here. You just drag and drop the first one, and to be sure that the second one is after the first one, you just need to keep pressed the Alt button and scroll it until this part becomes smaller enough. Then drag and drop the second part on the same line as the first one. And now at this point you will want to put some video transition between the two videos that you have, because you have two videos. So you'll have to go to effects, and you'll see here in the right you have audio effects, audio transition, audio effects, video transition. So you will need a video transition, and I will use a slide one and the center split. This is my preference. All of them can be edited as speed and other things that you will need. So I will just drag and drop it between the two videos that I have. And it says insufficient media. This transition will contain repeated frames. This is not such a big problem, at least from my point of view. To see the results, just click on the yellow part. I will use Alt to zoom again in this part of the video. As you see, you have here the transition, and I will click before it and I will play it. Okay, the transition seemed to be okay for me. So I will go to the end of the clip, where I will need to put some extra stuff that I need or that I want to make in order to make a final moment of this video. So I will go to the end. I will just pick a point where let's say I pick this point, and first at all you'll need to just take the audio that you have and put it like I'm doing it now, and probably you'll need to listen until you spot the location where the audio will be at the point where you want to stop it. Okay, so let's listen for the first part. Okay, this is the location where I want to end this audio part, so I will use the Alt to zoom out, and I will just clip the sound that I took and clip it by just dragging the end of it till the point with the cursor made red, less like you see now. Okay, now to place this sound across the clip like you would probably want to, you need to just click on it and drag it until you will see this black line aligning with the end of your clip. Now you'll have to use the eraser tool to cut your clip at the start of your melody that you want to use for your end of the clip. So just cut your clip here and select the cursor again, the selection tool, and then just right click it and you'll see audio gain for your video. You'll want your video to have the sound lowered in order to hear more clearly the song that you put for the end. So I will just use -10. Okay, and now I'm going to play it again. Let's see. Okay, so now I know that the end of the clip seems to be okay and the sound seems to be fine. I want also an end touch for the clip to be complete, so I just want to type here, I don't know, a text like subscribe or anything. So I will use the text tool and type on the screen where I want to put the text, and I will say just subscribe. Okay, and I see that the text is too big, so to make it smaller I will use the selection tool again and I will decrease the text. So now we have a text on the video at this point. As you see, this is the length of your text and I want it to be until the end of the clip from this point. So like not at the first moment when the song starts, but when the song starts to play louder. So this is my song. Probably you'll have another one, or who knows. Then you'll have to put the text like you will need to or you'll like to have it. Okay, now the final moment to export it to YouTube, for the YouTube to upload it to YouTube. Actually, select the screen where you will have the video that you need to export. This is the screen in this case. Go to File and say Export Media. Okay, and select the location and make your settings for your audio and video that you want to have, and then click the export button, and you'll find in my documents, or your documents in this case, your video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and click the like button, and see you on the next video. Bye.